garlic split chickpea rice casserole, or garlic split chickpea rice bowl, or garlic split chickpea rice. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the rice casserole recipes and one of the most unique of the chickpea recipes and one of the most different of the garlic recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the rice bowl recipes and one of the most unique of the rice recipes. We're going to make garlic split chickpea rice. We've taken around 100 grams of split chickpea or chana dal, nicely soaked in water. The next ingredients are around 40 cloves of garlic, 1 onion cut into pieces, 15 grams of ginger, and 1 tomato cut into pieces. Heat the pan and put in 15 grams of ghee or clarified butter. Let it melt. Put in the onion pieces. Salt. Garlic. Saute. Garlic mix. Put in the garlic paste. Salt the garlic paste. Put in the ginger. Put in salt to taste. Salt. Salt thoroughly. Keep on salting. Thoroughly salt and mix. Put in the tomato pieces. Sauce thoroughly. Put in a spoon of mixture spices. Put in salt to taste. Mix. Put in the split chickpea. Into the mixture. salt and mix. In the casserole. Pour in 200 ml of water. Mix. And close. And let this mixture cook for 45 minutes in high heat. Two cups of water. Put in a cup of washed and soaked rice. Mix and let this mixture boil and cook for 15 to 20 minutes. After closing, and cook for the required amount of time. Now the garlic split chickpea rice casserole is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final garlic split chickpea rice casserole. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the chickpea recipes and one of the most unique of the garlic recipes and one of the most delicious of the rice casserole recipes and one of the most different of the garlic casserole recipes and one of the most unique of the chickpea casserole recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the dinner recipes and one of the most unique of the rice bowl recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.